Falls formed the Niagara Falls Association in 1883, a group that aimed to lobby New York to acquire and protect the falls from private exploitation. The effort succeeded later that year when on April 30, 1883, a bill authorizing the selection, location, and appropriation of certain lands in the village of Niagara Falls for state reservation was signed into law by then-Governor Cleveland. The act led to the falls also has an area made of the mist, and you can take boat tours in Niagara Falls, and it's one of the most visited places in the country. Cape of the Winds also, when you get close to the falls and experience descent 175 feet into